Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. So traders, I did a video just recently saying that the US dollar is it getting ready to fall through the floor. I can't even say that. Fall through the floor, right? Because we had this very strong upward movement through here. Now, what I mean by that is that we're getting ready for a bit of a pullback, right? Because we've had all this time move. Let me actually open this chart right up here. We've had all this time move up through here. This nice big vertical move up through here when it comes to the US dollar. And I was saying, and they're saying if the US dollar falls, does that mean gold's going to rise? Well, they're not directly correlated when it comes to the US dollar. And as you can see, right, like the US dollar on the weekly chart, what is that doing? That's still been going up overall, but the gold chart has been booming, right? So there's nothing really there's nothing, you can't say, well, US dollar's dropping, so therefore gold's going to go up and stuff like that. You can't, if you ever make a decision based on that, it's the big mistake. And as you can see, right, like right now, again, this US dollar's been going up overall and it's been going up for this year as well too. And as you can see, gold's been going up as well too. And US dollar's been pulling back just a little bit, right? It hasn't been pulling back as much as gold's been exploding. So there is no correlation there, or there might be a little bit, but there's nothing there to compare on. The most important thing to you as a trader is that if you are trading the markets, what you want to be doing is you want to be trading the markets based on what you see on that chart. So if you're looking at gold and you see your setup on gold, don't say, well, US dollar's weak and the bond market's bullish and the Fed said this, so therefore I'm going to buy gold. Trading is all about repetition, okay? Trading is all about repetition and repetition of trading the same setup again and again and again. That's how you get ahead in the market. So the answer to that is like, no, I don't think, like they may have some correlation overall. I don't think so. The fact of the matter is you can just look at the facts for what it's of, okay? This is what the US dollar is doing, but the gold's doing that as well too.